Hey everybody, Corey back here with the Dental Dudes. Hope you're well. What if I told you that this one little packet could be worth $30,000 to $90,000 to your practice? Got your attention yet? Well, it is. If you haven't heard of it yet, or if you're not using it in your practice, it's Curodont by Vivardis. I've learned the science behind this technology and this treatment now. I'm a big believer. It's more than just a fluoride varnish or anything like that. It's actually treating the decay. They've done the studies. At least 80% of your patients coming through your door into hygiene alone is a candidate for this. And even running the numbers, if half of that 80% accepts treatment in your practice, that leads to big numbers. And it's not just about the numbers, it's about maintaining the standard of care within your practice. So if it's something that you want to look at and implementing into your practice, would love to sit down and talk to you. I can bring the manufacturing rep for the product into your practice as well. We can talk about it over coffee, lunch, whatever it takes for you to understand what's available to you and what's available to your patients for that standard of care. Look forward to talking to you. Reach out, email, text, however you can, and let's set up a time to talk. Have a great day.
Smash that like.